one day I'm never coming back. Gonna live the life I dreamed.
But Nazi news plays loud in the kitchen. Names roll by like they're nothing at all. Your mother folds her hands at the window,
waiting for her orange guy that won't come. Tears of liberty falling on the concrete, salt in every cracked street land. We were promised we'd be free.
now we're standing in the smoke, just pretending we believe. Oh, these tears, tears of liberty.
Posters peel from a wood rotting light pole.
The drained faces fade into gray.
Someone shooting to kill a hopeful soul.
Someone's dragged and pushed away.
I clutch my burned, blown out candles,
Wax warm,
shaking in my hand.
Jesus' eyes, footprints in blood-stained sandals.
Grenades thrown at where we stand.
Is it still freedom? Do we whisper when we speak? Whisper speak. Is it still courage?
If we're crying every week,
Crying weak, but I see fire.
in the eyes right next to me.
We're soaked in tears.
My way learning how to see. My blood-drained heart is so sad as it stops. The marrow sucked out of my trust. I believed in you in America. I'm crumbling down into red dust. The angels weep high above the tall steeple.
In dawn skies, seeking passion of our God.
Red hats are rain down their wrath. on the broken down people.
Crimson eyes covered dirt and salt.
Is there still freedom?
Damn, we whispered when we spoke.
Damn, we spoke.
That is not courage.
Too afraid to be called woke.
Be called woke.
Let's believe.
A melting fire.
Blind glazed drained eyes next to me. Now crusted and frozen. Bloody tears, forbidden hope. Turn cyan, death eyes can't see. Now tears of blood flow from my arteries. It spills out and never remains. And the crimson can't ever go flowing back because of my bullet hole.